Berenson needs me to update these financial models for the meeting with the foreign investors.
So what? It's Friday night.
The Germans are taking an early flight back. The meeting got changed to tomorrow.
So, why don't you just get somebody else to do your work for you?
Who?
Harold.
Need you to update those models for me.
But Billy, aren't you supposed to?
Yeah, I know. Something just came up. I have this meeting with these new clients tonight, and I'm never gonna have time to get to those. So, that's your responsibility now, big boy.
Make sure those are in by 9 o'clock sharp tomorrow. With all the downsizing that's been going on around here, we wouldn't want to have to tell Berenson you've been slacking now, would we?
Yeah. Okay, no problem.
Hey, you have a great weekend, okay, buddy? I owe you one. Just one.
Thank you.
Wow, that was amazing. I cannot believe how easy that was.
Dude, how do you think I can get all my done? I'm telling you, those Asian guys love crunching numbers.
This stupid case is taking so long. Come in.
Hey, Cyril. Is it ready to come in?
Hey, Blair. Yeah, sure, come in.
How's your day going?
It's going pretty horrible, I must say, you know? How's your day going? It's going pretty horrible, I must say, you know? How's your day going?
It's going okay. What's wrong with your day?
Well, you know, this person just... This Anderson case is just really going bad, you know? Anderson case is just really going bad, you know? We haven't gone anywhere. It's been 6 months into the case. And, you know, we still haven't found any evidence as to whether she has committed this crime or not, you know?
What can I do to make you feel better?
Well, why don't you just sit over there, please?
Okay. Have you talked to Mrs. Anderson today yet?
Yeah, you know, I tried to talk to her and she just hasn't picked up her phone. She's like trying to avoid me or something, you know?
It's the time.
Blair, what the hell are you doing? So, I was in the office, you know, one day and Blair decides to come in, you know, not a big thing. You know, she asked me how the day was going. I was like, you know, it's a pretty tough day. And, you know, we start talking about the court case. And then she starts touching my leg. I'm like, what is she doing? You know, Blair has never done this to me. She's a professional, but this has really changed my mind of how she is, you know? I'm a married man. I really can't see how she could do such a thing.
So the thing with Ciro, I mean, I thought that there were signs there that we both wanted it, but apparently I was wrong.
It's the time of the season when love runs high.
certainly looked like sexual harassment to me.
No doubt about it, Adam. Sexual harassment is unwelcome behavior that happens to you because of your sex. Unwelcome sexual advances, requests for sexual favors, or verbal or physical conducts of sexual nature are all considered sexual harassment.
Sexual harassment can create intimidating, hostile, or offensive work environments that is uncomfortable for anyone, including men.
Courts have found that sexual harassment is a form of discrimination. Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 is a federal law that protects individuals from discrimination based upon sex.
Title VII covers all private employers, state and local governments, and educational institutions that employ 15 or more individuals. There are 4 major types of conduct that are considered sexual harassment.
Verbal or written conduct can be comments about clothing, personal behavior, or your body. Telling sex-based jokes, requesting sexual favors, and telling rumors are all verbal or written conduct.
Physical conduct, like rape or assault, can be inappropriate touching, kissing, hugging, patting, or stroking. What we just saw Blair doing to Sierra would be considered physical conduct.
Nonverbal conduct includes looking up and down someone else's body, derogatory gestures, or facial expressions of a sexual nature.
Finally, sexual harassment can be in the form of visual displays. Posters, drawings, pictures, screensavers, or emails of a sexual nature all fall under visual displays.
When dealing with sexual harassment, there is no one best thing to do, because every situation is different. However, there are 2 important things you must remember.
Say no. Remember, one legal requirement for sexual harassment is that the conduct must be unwelcome. Make sure the harasser knows how you feel. Tell the person that their behavior is offensive to you. Don't engage in sexual banter or flirt back. This will cause to send mixed signals. Direct communication, whether verbal or written, is better than ignoring the behavior and hoping it will go away.
The second thing to remember is report sexual harassment to your employer. Tell your supervisor, your human resources department, or anyone within your company who has the power to stop the harassment. It is best to inform them in a written form so records can be kept of when you made the complaint. The sooner you notify someone, the sooner they can take legal action.
The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, or the EEOC, is the agency of the federal government responsible for investigating charges of job discrimination. Most states, however, have their own government agencies that state laws against discrimination.
Victims of sexual harassment can recover remedies which include back pay, hiring, promotion, reinstatement, front pay, compensatory damages, punitive damages, and other actions that will make the individual whole. Other remedies may include payment of attorney fees and court costs, and not all states offer the same remedies.
Sexual harassment and discrimination is a very serious issue that no one should have to deal with.
If you feel as if you're being sexually harassed, remember, say no and take action. Report to your supervisor immediately.